Welcome, ladies and gentlemen, boys and girls. My name is Al Lucchino. Many of you have seen me on TikTok, YouTube, Facebook, and with Facebook, it's either a full video or a reel. The reels are limited to 60 seconds. If you want to watch the whole video and you're watching the reel, I'll put the link to the full video in the comments section below the reel. You can find it there. But I want to welcome you to Harley-Davidson and Danbury's virtual showroom, and I've got something really awesome today. This is a 2023 Road Glide with only 488 miles. That's right, 488 original miles. This is a virtually new machine, and it's available, and it's just under $19K at Harley-Davidson and Danbury. It can be financed for approved borrowers with approved credit. So come on down, but I want to take you through this beautiful 2023 Road Glide and just show you a little bit about the Road Glide, give you a walk around and review on the motorcycle. Now, 488 miles, so we know this is a great bike, but it's got the Milwaukee 8 engine. Harley uses oil and air cooling for this machine, so the oil functions as a lubricant as well as a coolant. We have squirters under the pistons that shoot oil underneath the crown of the piston to draw heat off the top of the piston, drop it into the oiling system where we lose it, or shed the heat through an oil cooler, and also the oil pan, which is a heat sink and gets rid of some of the heat as well. Got a 6-speed transmission, so you got a gear for every situation: highway, back roads, local riding through traffic. Belt driven to the rear wheel, so it's quiet, clean, and virtually maintenance free. Now, fuel injected, so there's no gas valve, no choke, no hiccuping, no coughing, no sputtering. Just power up the motorcycle, hit the start button, touch it once, it's going to start right up. Any temperature, hot or cold, no hiccups, no coughing, nothing. Now, we've got anti-lock brakes on this machine, so it's going to get you stopped in a shorter, safer distance than a bike without ABS brakes. This bike also has traction control, which can be turned on and off at the hand control up here. So again, another safety feature. You've got hill assist. So if you're at a stoplight or a traffic sign on an incline or a decline, one quick firm stab at the brake and it holds the bike on the hill or at the stop sign. So all you got to do is hang onto the bars, put your feet down. Much easier to ride the bike that way with the hill assist. It's one of my favorite features. A lot of nice features on this Road Glide. One-touch saddlebags, easy to open the saddlebags. We've got super high quality Dunlop tires. The rear tire is a 180 millimeter with a dual compound, soft rubber on the sides, a little harder rubber in the center. That gets us more mileage, better overall traction. So these tires, depending on riding speed and condition, and of course maintaining the pressure, tire pressure, these tires go well over 10,000 miles at the rear. I've seen some people go as high as 15,000 miles on a set of tires now. So that's great. We've got slipstream air vents so you can control the airflow around you. We've got the 6.5-inch infotainment with AM/FM radio, GPS, as well as it is Bluetooth capable. It can be upgraded with a Harley wireless headset module if you want to do things electronically and receive more messages, text, phone calls while you're riding, although personally I prefer to just ride the bike. Got a comfortable set of handlebars, world-class Brembo brakes, dual discs in the front on a Road Glide. Now, what is the main benefit of a Road Glide over a Street Glide? The main benefit is the fairings mounted to the frame. So the steering response is light because we don't have the weight of the fairing and the radio and the audio on the handlebars. So lighter steering response in a 20, 25, 30, 40 mile an hour range. Really, the Road Glide handles better than any touring bike has a right to. If you haven't ridden a Road Glide, come on down to Harley-Davidson to Danbury, ride the Road Glide. We've got semi-floating rotors, which means the rotors can expand and contract and move around a little bit if you get them hot, whether it's high-speed traffic or coming down a mountain road like Mount Washington up in New Hampshire, which I've done. Again, we've got an engine guard, we've got floorboards, and we've got passenger foot pegs. Got a very efficient 2-into-1-into-2 exhaust system here. This is an exceptionally clean stock motorcycle, and we want you to come on down to Harley-Davidson to Danbury and let's take it for a ride. Again, the Road Glide is a fantastic motorcycle. I want to point out, not only does the fairing give you very light steering response because of the frame-mounted fairing of the Road Glide, but it's also a little less susceptible to turbulence and crosswinds on the highway compared to the traditional Batwing, or what I like to call the Electroglide fairing. So we got a fantastic motorcycle. It's symptomatic of the super high quality pre-owned bikes at Harley-Davidson of Danbury. We're a family-owned business. My brother Carl and I have been here for 30 years, going on 31. We're exit 7 off I-84 in Danbury. We're open Tuesday through Friday, 10 a.m. to 6 p.m. and Saturdays 10 to 4. Now, I want to give you a little view of some of our dealership services. Our phone number is 203-730-2453. If you can't get in, call in. Ask for Tom, ask for Ricky, you can ask for me. My name's Al, I'm on extension 114. Behind us is our DynoJet 250i dynamometer, which we call it our Screaming Eagle Performance Center, but I like to call it our Danbury Muscle Factory, so we can tune, hop up. These bikes can be made to 128, 135 plus cubic inches. We're a factory authorized Zippers performance dealer. Check them out. Zippers is in Maryland. Dan Fitzmaurice is the owner, retired national drag bike champion. We're an authorized dealer for Zippers. If you want to really go fast, Zippers does the goods for you, does the work. Also over here, Harley-Davidson Danbury is a factory authorized Jekyll & Hyde multi-mode exhaust system dealer. Now, Jekyll & Hyde is made in the Netherlands. Super high quality nickel-plated internals to resist corrosion. But the best part is you're going to touch the button right over here. Looks like original equipment, and you've got quiet, medium, and loud, so you can have any kind of exhaust note that you want. Start up nice and quiet, going into a quiet area, put it in the stock mode, get out on the open road, hit the button, kick it into the loud mode, pick up the performance and sound, the Harley Rumble. But here's the best thing about a 45-degree air-cooled V-twin Harley-Davidson. It's still an honest motorcycle, and it sounds, looks, and, very important, feels like a big thumping V-twin. That's what we want to ride. Put a set of slip-on mufflers, put a Jekyll & Hyde system on this thing, and you're going to be very happy with the motorcycle. This is what the Harley riders want, a big, thumping, air-cooled V-twin. Come on down, let's take this for a ride, and thank you for watching this video.